All right. So listen, this is kind of the best way you're going to be able to track your emails. If you're using GoHighLevel for your lead gen, your lead nurture, and you want to be able to track what emails have been opened, and if they do open certain emails, I want to send them down a particular pathway, maybe another notification, or just they get other things right after they open that particular email. So this is kind of what we set up for our clients. We call it our 5-day welcome series. So pretty much once they fill out a form, any form whatsoever, they're automatically enrolled into the sequence. So after they get this first email, then second, they have to wait 1 day and see if they open it. Once it's been opened, it runs to a if else sequence. We know we attach our if else sequences by hitting this plus button. If I type in if, and then I can make my brackets from there. And then pretty much it's going to create a yes, the email's been opened, or a no. The reason why we wait for a day, because in order to kind of move them to the next stage, it has to time out. So we set the timeout for 1 day, meaning that have they opened it within that day. And then pretty much if it's known they haven't opened, we just try again with the new subject line, right? We wait a day, and then we send that email. They pretty much go to email number two. So the reason why we do a new subject line, we may need to hit them with a different copy. If it's let's say it's a lead magnet that they purchased or they've got from us, that we want to make sure that we're again trying to get them to open so they can see the value that we can bring them. So this is another way you can do so versus just relying on that first email. So then they get added here. Email two, same process. So as you can see, it's a very simple formula. We're just going to wait a day. Was this open? No. We do a different subject line, sent there, right? And the reason why we do this go-to step, because when they get to the bottom, we still want them to get the emails, right? So we go to the bottom, we move it here, boom, they get sent to that third email. And we do this all the way into the end. Now you can kind of tweak this how you want. You can make it so that they can get text messages. You can put them in pipeline stages, whatever that may be. However, using GoHighLevel, then instead of just creating one workflow where it's a form trigger and then email, incorporating this gives you much more realm to kind of play with it, to kind of see what type of journey you want to create for your clients. So hope you found this valuable. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I'm out.